Want to know how to share or view your reviewed bookings in Agoda? So if you have completed a booking, or if you have completed your stay or any booking, and if you want to see your reviews that you had done previously, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can easily see past reviews in just a few minutes. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. If you don't see it, you need to log in. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, just simply select this top right icon, and once you have done that, here you should be seeing a small window popping up, and right above Points Bank you should be seeing something known as reviews. So just simply select reviews, and now once you have selected reviews, here you should be seeing reviews of your previous reviewed hotels or any booked flights or transport. So if you don't have any reviews, you can also select get started and then do it accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.